What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Cut. Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a tool but didn't have one? Well, today we're counting down the top 5 multi-tool gadgets on Amazon that'll save you in those exact moments. I've been testing these multi-tools for weeks now, and honestly, some of them have completely changed my everyday carry game. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up that the links to all these products are in the description below, and we may earn a small commission if you purchase through them, at no extra cost to you, of course. Let's get started with our countdown.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is this clever little gadget, the Posioni Multitool Pen. Now, I know what you're thinking. A pen? Really? But trust me on this one. This isn't just any pen, it's a 6-in-1 powerhouse that packs a stylus, bubble level, ruler, both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, and of course, a ballpoint pen. I've been using this for a couple of weeks and it's surprisingly handy. The stylus works great on my phone, and the screwdrivers have saved me more than once when I needed to tighten a loose screw on my glasses. Plus, it comes with 4 extra refills, so you won't run out of ink anytime soon. At just $9.49 with a 5% discount, it's an absolute steal. Honestly, it's the perfect gift for that guy in your life who has everything. He probably doesn't have a pen that's also a bubble level and screwdriver. Coming in at number 4 is the XXX VI Multifunctional Pliers. This compact 5-in-1 tool features pliers, wire cutter, Phillips screwdriver, file, serrated knife, flathead screwdriver, and bottle opener, all in a keychain-friendly package. What I love about this one is how lightweight it is while still being surprisingly sturdy. The zinc alloy construction gives it a premium feel, and the electroplated finish means it won't corrode over time. I've attached it to my keys, and honestly, I barely notice it's there until I need it. At $9.99, it's incredibly affordable for what it offers. While it doesn't have as many functions as some of the other tools on our list, its compact size makes it perfect for those who want something truly pocket-friendly. Taking the bronze spot is the EDCF Fans Keychain Knife. This 8-in-1 multi-tool is a beast in a tiny package. It functions as a box cutter, bottle or can opener, pry bar, slotted screwdriver, 1/4 wrench, scraper, and includes a keychain clip. The thing that impressed me most about this tool is its build quality. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it feels solid in your hand, despite weighing just 1 ounce. The all-locking features mean every tool stays securely in place when fully opened, which is a great safety feature. At $16.99 with a 15% discount, it's reasonably priced for the functionality it offers. It's the perfect companion for camping, hiking, or just everyday tasks. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention, it comes in multiple styles, so you can pick the one that best suits your aesthetic. Our silver medalist goes to the Giottis Carabiner Multi-Tool. This 8-in-1 tool combines a folding pocket knife, serrated knife, rope cutter, slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, and ruler all in one carabiner package. What sets this one apart is its clever carabiner design. The twist lock latch system ensures it stays securely attached to your gear, making it perfect for climbing, camping, or just attaching to your belt loop. I've been using it on my weekend hikes, and it's incredibly convenient to have everything I need right there. At $23.99 with a 20% coupon available, it's a bit pricier than some other options, but the quality and versatility justify the cost. Plus, it comes in multiple colors if you want something other than the standard black. And the number 1 spot goes to the Pohaku Multi-Tool Knife. This 13-in-1 powerhouse is the most versatile tool on our list, featuring needle nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutters, a 3-inch blade, can opener, multiple screwdrivers, files, rope cutter, saw, and serrated knife. What really sold me on this tool is the quality of the blade. At over 3 inches, it's significantly larger than most multi-tool blades, and the safety locking function gives me confidence when using it for heavier tasks. The stainless steel construction with black oxidation treatment means it's built to last and won't rust. At $14.24 with a 5% discount, it offers incredible value for the number of functions it provides. It comes with a durable nylon sheath, making it easy to carry on your belt or in your pack. Honestly, if you're looking for one multi-tool that can handle almost any situation, this is it.